Good morning, student. I had already explained about the nomenclature. How can you write the name of the compound on the basis of IUPAC system? Now I am going to explain isomerism. First, what is isomers? A compound or many compounds having same molecular formula and different structural formula, that compound are called isomers, and this phenomena is called isomerism. See that what I say, a compound having same molecular formula. I am taking example of butane. Butane. Its general formula is C4H10. C4H10. Actually, chemical formula is generally different type. First one molecular formula, second one graphic formula, third one is structural formula, fourth one condensed structural formula, fifth one bond structural formula. Like that way I had already explained bond structural formula. Then polygon formula for the cyclic compound. Now a compounds having same molecular formula but different structural formula, the compound known as isomers, and this phenomena is called isomerism. See that 4 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon, 10 hydrogen, 10 hydrogen. See that 10 hydrogen. This formula is called graphic formula. This is a branch structural formula or graphic formula. Same formula we can write like this way: CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. This is called structural formula. Molecular formula, graphic formula, branch structure, structural formula. Same formula if we are writing like that way: CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. This one condensed structural formula. So now what will be name of this compound? The name of this compound will be normal N-pentane, N-butane. Normal butane. Okay. Now first one. Second one, if you remove this one carbon and 3 hydrogen. So what here है? Here H3C carbon, 1 hydrogen. Now carbon and 3 hydrogen. Carbon and 3 hydrogen. This carbon and hydrogen you attach here. CH3. Now name of this compound is 2 methyl propane. 3 carbon is propane. Means butane having 2 isomers, normal butane and 2 methyl propane. It's having 2 isomers. Now see that you have to write on your copy. Now about pentane. About pentane. C5H12. Pentane. First isomers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hydrogen. This is N-pentane, normal pentane. Don't write neo and iso, okay? Generally write. Second one, I am going to remove this one. Now formula will be H3C, CH2, now CH3, CH3. Now this CH3 you attach here, CH3. Now let me change. 1, 2, 3, 4. Name is 2-methyl 4-butane. Second isomers of pentane. Now third one, I am going to remove this one. This hydrogen and carbon. This carbon is removed. Now CS3 H3C. This carbon is remaining C. This CH3 is remaining. Now this CH3 already attached here, and this CH3 whatever this one we attach here. Now name is change. Long chain 1 2 3 or 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Name will be 2 dimethyl propane. 1 2 3 carbon long chain methyl propane. So these are the isomers of pentane. A compound having same molecular formula but different structural formula, the compound is known as isomers, and this phenomena is called isomerism. Now I am going to start your first organic compound, alkane. In alkane we have to study alkane are generally known as paraffin. Its two compound methane and second compound ethane. Methane is the first member of alkane series. Page number in your book. Page number 228. Given here. Actually, you know that methane mostly, this is generally known as paraffin. A general formula is given. General formula CnH2n+2. You can find this gas is mostly 75% in marshy area, okay, where natural gas or bacterial decomposition take place. There you find this gas. Now question is that how do you prepare in the laboratory? See that methane, when sodium acetate react with soda lime in presence of quicklime. Sodium acetate, see that this is acetic acid, COOH, remove H, sodium acetate, if K, potassium acetate, okay. So when sodium acetate react with soda lime, X gives, see that X form C. Sodium, Na2C. How many oxygen? 1 2 3 oxygen. Carbonate and methane. Yes. Sodium acetate, it forms when sodium acetate react with soda lime, it gives sodium carbonate and methane. Next one, when sodium propionate, this is sodium propionate, react with soda lime, it gives sodium carbonate and ethane, C2H6. When sodium propionate react with soda lime, we get sodium carbonate and ethane. This is the lab preparation of the methane and ethane. The collection is downward displacement of water. Figure is given. Okay. Question will be, what happens right to reaction when sodium acetate react with soda lime? Sodium propionate react with soda lime. Next question, how do you prepare methane from sodium acetate, ethane from sodium propionate? So like that, many questions they can make. Okay. Next, some more reaction also given. When we can prepare this one from means when methyl iodide, next preparation, general method for the preparation. Methyl iodide react with nascent hydrogen, alcoholic copper zinc 2, it will pass copper zinc 2 alcoholic. Then is formed methane and hydrogen iodide. Similarly, same condition when ethyl bromide react with nascent hydrogen, same condition, it's formed ethane and hydrogen bromide. So this is general method for the preparation of methane and ethane. One from methyl iodide. See that methyl iodide when react with sodium in presence of ether. Okay, react with sodium and in presence of ether it's form ethane, means it's form ethane C2H6 and sodium iodide. See that this reaction only used for preparation of alkane which having even number, not for the odd number of carbon atom. This reaction is called Wultz reaction. This reaction is generally known as page number 229 given. Wultz reaction. This reaction is called Wultz reaction. This is only used for preparation of organic compounds having even number of carbon atom. It is not used for preparation of odd number of carbon atom. After that, chemical properties of alkane. Chemical properties of methane and ethane. Chemical properties. About this chemical properties, first reaction is substitution reaction. That is called halogenation. Means when methane react with halogen, chlorine, it's form methyl chloride and HCl, hydrochloric acid. This reaction is called halogenation. Addition of halogen is called halogenation. This reaction is also known as substitution reaction. See that now methyl chloride again react with chlorine, it's form dimethyl chloride and HCl. When dimethyl chloride CH2Cl2 again with chlorine, it forms CHCl3 chloroform and HCl. It's formed chloroform and HCl. Now chloroform again react with chlorine, it's formed carbon tetrachloride and HCl. Now question is that how do you prepare chloroform from methane? Dimethyl chloride from methane, methyl chloride from methane, carbon tetrachloride from methane. So one option that you have to write all the reaction. Other option is that when methane react with chlorine, it forms carbon tetrachloride CCl4 and HCl. Now see that this is step 1, 2, 3, 4 chlorine. You write 4. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 HCl. Okay. Now hydrogen already balanced, chlorine already balanced. So you can write single step the reaction. If this methane to chloroform, so methane plus 1, 2, 3 chlorine, and here 3 HCl. Okay. means like that. 3Cl2, then here form chlorine form, CHCl3, here 3HCl, 3HCl. Similarly, the reaction of the ethane with chlorine. Similarly, the reaction of ethane with chlorine. Then next chemical properties, I will first prepare substitution reaction of methane and ethane. Substitution reaction of methane and ethane both. You prepare, then I will send you my next video. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.